Picture this. You're in a rush, gearing up for an important event, and suddenly a button pops off your favorite shirt. Frustrating, right? But don't worry, knowing how to sew a button can save your day. Let's dive into this essential skill step by step. First, gather your materials: a needle, thread, scissors, and the button that needs reattaching. Have these items ready and you're set to go. Start by threading the needle. For extra strength, double the thread and tie a knot at the end. This ensures your button stays put through thick and thin. Next, position your button on the fabric, aligning it with the other buttons or its corresponding buttonhole. Make sure it's placed correctly using an animated overlay if needed. Now let's sew. Insert the needle from the back of the fabric to the front through one hole in the button. Pass the needle down through the opposite hole and pull the thread tight. Repeat this process several times to secure the button. For 4-hole buttons, sew diagonally to create an X pattern. Once the button feels secure, it's time to tie off the thread. Pass the needle through the fabric close to the button, create a loop, and pass the needle through the loop to make a knot. Repeat to ensure the knot is secure. Finally, snip off any excess thread and give the button a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. There you have it. You've just saved your outfit and your day. Now, button up that shirt confidently, and you're good to go.